And back in India, the government is all set to tighten the noose around realty players. Real estate developers will soon face stringent reporting norms and a second pair of eyes to go over their accounts. Rajat Guha has this exclusive.
The new real estate bill may soon give fly-by-night developers a lot to worry. If appointment of a regulator was not enough, NDTV learns that the bill also mandates the auditing of account books every quarter. And this audit will be undertaken by auditors approved by the regulator. The realty sector is clearly worried and say that quarterly audit amounts to over-regulation.
If we do it on quarterly basis, it will be too much of a work. There are many transactions, many collections at times. An installment amount may not be raised in such a short interval. Ideally, it should be annual.
So what does the government hope to achieve through a real estate regulator and quarterly audits? Government wants to keep a track on the sale of properties and provide clarity on land bank with each developer. It also wants to prevent overvaluation of land in accounts. This move is seen to be a precursor to the new reporting norms. For the realty sector, who are used to work in an unorganized fashion, the real estate regulator is expected to bring in proper regulation. The bill coming up for clearance at the cabinet soon also gives the regulator power to cancel the license of a property developer on violation of their guidelines, a step welcomed by many experts who feel that it is high time the government steps in.
Fly-by-night operators which have created the bad image for the industry, now it has to be controlled, and it will be controlled definitely.
It's still left to be seen how far the policy could be implemented, if at all it gets cabinet approval, because land is a state subject and an active participation from states is needed. Rajat Guha, NDTV Profit.
Bankers, insurance players